Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for February 3rd through February 9th. Now, it's not the greatest. We're not getting hardly any decent coupons. I'll be working on that video after I film this one. But otherwise, it's going to be kind of a slow week. If you guys need to take a break, it's not really anything that I see a lot of good things on. But hey, if you guys need to go for it. I say go for it. I'll still try to find some good deals for you. Maybe there'll be some hidden deals, you never know. So on the front page right here, you see the Arm & Hammer for $1.99. We are getting dollar off coupons, making them 99 cents. Now, I never get those coupons, but hopefully coupons.com has some that are printable, so we can use some. Otherwise, you can go to the Arm & Hammer also website and print those off, but they do limit you those on that site. But otherwise, there's really nothing that's really popping out. They got candy for 2 for $1, which is a good candy. It's a Hershey's and the Oreo, so we do have some Hershey Gold coupons. So we could do something like that if you're interested. Now here I got some candy. Nothing's really popping out. I mean, the movie theater candy is usually 4 for $4 all the time. Nice nuts, $3.99, $4.99. So nothing that's really just popping. Here's more Valentine's stuff. Buy one, get one 50% off. I really don't look at Valentine's Day stuff at all. I know, I don't. And here we're on the food. They really want you to make some grilled cheese. Here's some nice brand stuff. Now they got them for, this is a coupon. You can also attach it to your cart if you guys want, but they have it 99 cents for paper plates, aluminum foil. I really like their aluminum foil, especially for 99 cents. I might have to see what I have in my stockpile and stock up some more on that, but I use their aluminum foil and it works just great. Otherwise, if you need some sugar or some oil, that's $1.89 for an in-store coupon if you guys are interested in something like that. Now, Lindsay olives are always on sale. I swear they're never not 99 cents or $2 for $2 or something like that, but they do have printable coupons if you guys sign up for their email. I'm all Lindsay'd out. I bought too many Lindsay olives in the past couple years. Cleanest of products and beverages. Not really a good page, but nothing's really popping out. I mean, it's buy one get one 50% off for Kleenex. Nothing really there. All in Snuggles, buy one get one free, but we do have some 50% off coupons, but you can only use the 50% off coupon on the one where you pay for it. You can't use a coupon on the free item. Renews it's 89 cents. Those are good, but I don't think we have any coupons for those. Now we're into the vitamins section. Nothing's really popping out. It's just buy one get one free, so if you guys need some medicines, go for it. Here they do have cough drops, 4 for $4. That comes out to be $1 a piece, but it is the Walgreens brand. So if you guys are interested in needing cough drops, I always like to have them in my purse just in case, especially right now when it's negative 26 degrees outside last time I checked. Here's some other items. Nothing's really popping out. Now we're getting into the personal care items. They got Mitchum $2.99 with dollar off coupons, but if you spend $12, you get 5,000 points. Not probably going to do that. Gillette, it says if buy one get one 50% off. If you spend $3, you get $3 in points. Axe, if you spend $15, you get $3 in points. So the point system's not doing the greatest. Chic is 2 for $14. We're getting a, what does it look like, a 7 off a 2 coupon. We could do that depending on the deal, but then you get 5,000 points when you spend 20. So there is that if you guys want that. Crest is $3.99. We do have those dollar off coupons in the P&G. I would not do this deal, but if you guys really need to do this deal, go for it. But you guys use 3 of those coupons. You guys would pay $8.97. You get a $6 register reward, making it $2.97. Not the greatest. You shouldn't pay more than more than a quarter or more. 50 cents if you really needed to, but not $1 for toothpaste. So there's that. We got Olay and Old Spice. Buy 4, you get a $4 register reward. There might be a hidden coupon, hopefully, on the website to do something like that. Aussie and Herbal Essence, they're 2 for $6. We are getting 2 off of 2 coupons, making them $2 a piece. Again, not the greatest, but hey, if you guys really need that stuff. One thing I do want to tell you is the Almay makeup is buy one get one 50% off, and then there are 4 off of 2 coupons in the Walgreens booklet. Now the Almay coupons do expire Sunday the 3rd, so if you guys need to get some Almay stuff, definitely do it. I'm going to try to do some deals for you, but it's for Sunday only. Just wanted to share with you guys with that. And now we're literally on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Colgate, $1.99 with our $1 off coupon. Not the greatest. They do have Cottonelle Viva for buy one get one 50% off. We do have 50% off coupons for those. General Mills cereal is 2 for $4. We do have a $1 off 2 coupon, plus there'll probably be something in Saving Star making that $1. So if Saving Star pops up, I'll probably do that. But otherwise, that is what is in the Walgreens ad preview. Just wanted to share with you guys. It is going to be kind of a slow week, but hopefully something pops up and surprises us. Just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.